Hello there, and today I'm here with a video about the Windex Outdoor All-in-One Cleaning Tool. So obviously when I'm cleaning in the windows, I usually just use, like a rag or paper towels or newspaper, but they always end up leaving streaks, and sometimes I can't even get that high because of the height of the window. So this definitely has helped me a lot. So as you can see here is by Windex, and it specifically says outdoor. So you get some pads. This is the main head attachment here, and it swivels all around like 360, so you don't have to worry about it just being up and down. You can go side to side if you're trying to get different corners. You get the different attachments. I mean, not really attachments, they just make the pole longer. So you don't have to use all of them, but they do help with the height. So you get about 4 gray ones, which is supposed to help, like I said, with length. This one just is the main one that just goes in it. But yeah, I highly recommend, and thank you so much for watching.